Hey guys, if your Wyze switch won't connect to Wi Fi, keeps failing during setup, or stays offline in the Wyze app, you're in the right place. This issue can occur because your phone is connected to a 5 GHz Wi Fi network instead of 2.4 GHz. The switch isn't in pairing mode, the Wi Fi password was entered incorrectly, or the router signal is too weak where the switch is installed. In some cases, outdated firmware or an incomplete setup can also prevent the switch from joining your network. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi Fi network before starting the setup. 2. Put the Wi switch into pairing mode until the status light begins flashing. 3. Add the switch again through the Wyze app and carefully enter the Wi Fi password. 4. Keep the switch within a strong Wi Fi signal while the setup is completing. 5. Update the Wyze app and the switch firmware after the connection is established.